So every throw net, or most of them, have a loop, and that you want to put around your wrist. The way to do that is pull it back on itself like that, put your hand through it, tighten it up. Whatever dominating hand you got, if you're left-handed, put in your left-handed like me. If you're right-handed, put in your right hand. And then you want to lay the rope over your hand, like that way. So go that way, and keep repeating that until you get to your swivel, and then you can make it a bit longer if you need to. You want to have your swivel at the end of your hand there, and you can hold that shut. And then with your net, whether it be cotton or nylon, this one's a nylon net, you just got to make sure you've got no stones and sticks and stuff that's going to stuff you up. And you lay it out like that in a sort of line or a semicircle, and depending on how long your net is, you can usually just get away with one. Bring your right hand down like that, or if you're right-handed, do your left hand. Hold it all there, grab the middle, the top here, and lay that over your fingers like that. Then you close your hand, and then still with your free hand, you go to the outside, gather up about a quarter of your net, and as well with that, you lay that over your hand as well, and then close that. And from then, all you do is get your right hand, gather up about a quarter, and you're good to go. And then you just got to find something to catch. So yeah, and then you can walk around with that, so it saves you putting it over your shoulder. There's a heap of different methods you can do, but I find this is the easiest for most people, and saves you getting dirty and stuff all over your back. Yeah, and it's a pretty good method, works pretty much most of the time. And the trick is not to try too hard. If you try hard, you have worse results. So when you're practicing, you can virtually just go as low as you want to go, just in front of you. And it's just about rolling your wrist, rolling it all forward. So great success. Got a few. They're all falling out. That's how you do it.